What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Volks TV. Today's the day. I am stabbing this motor in the bus. I ran it last night. I tuned the carbs. We had intake leaks. I got those taken care of. We had an oil leak on the oil line here. I got that taken care of today. It starts. It runs good. It's tuned enough. It's good enough. So we'll get it in the bus, and if we have to do any fine tuning, we can do that once it's in the bus, but at least I know it's going to start and run. I also went and bought a new starter today, or exchanged the 6-volt starter that I've been using, just to be sure that I have a fresh starter. Those AutoZone starters, they give you a lifetime guarantee. So just went down this morning. They actually had one in stock because I've been buying so many stupid starters. So we just exchanged that. So brand new starter in the bus this morning. I cleaned up the whole engine bay, pressure washed, and did some paint detail on some of the stuff that looks like it was showing some surface rust. I put a little rust converter on there and then hit it with some shiny black. Did some undercoating on some of the frame stuff. It's looking really good in there now. Actually better than the motor now. Even though the motor was pretty nice at one time, it's kind of beat up, even though it's never run. But who cares? We're stabbing it today. That thing's gonna run. We got to do some wiring. Once we get the thing in there and it's running, then we can do the oil lines. You know, that's all going to come later. I got gauges to put in. We got work to do, and we don't have much time. I got bug off coming up. I got bus fest coming up. Tons of stuff. We got a bus bash coming up. I need to get it done. So what are we standing here talking for? Let's stab that motor in the bus. Let's go. This is it. Motor's in. It's got oil. We got gas. The linkage is hooked up. The electrical's all hooked up. The battery's got a charge on it. I'm a little nervous to turn the key. It's been so long. But let's see if it fires up. I promise you, for real. This is the first time that I've turned the key since that motor went in there. It was running on the floor in the garage, so I know the motor's tuned and ready to go. But I've had the problem where you turn the key and nothing happens, and I'm hoping that we got that sorted out. So I'm gonna have to adjust the clutch. Fingers crossed. What? Oh my God, you guys! It runs. It's got some leaks and some rubs, it sounds like. Oh my God, it runs. The bus runs, you guys. Oh my God, how exciting is that? That is the most exciting thing ever, I think. I'm gonna do it again. Oh my God, it fires right up. I think I got an intake leak. It's like 1,000 degrees in here. Oh my God, I want to go for a ride. All right, I gotta go in the back and check and make sure that nothing is leaking or on fire. This is amazing. Well, it doesn't look like any leaks and nothing is on fire. I think we're good. A couple adjustments. I still have an air leak. I can hear the carbs like sucking. I need to figure that out. But man, we are there. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to drive this thing, and I don't know if you can see, but it's about to start raining. So I'm probably gonna have to wait till tomorrow. I'm gonna work on it until I can't work on it, because now, you know, it's a runner. I need to adjust the clutch. I need to, I guess, play with the carbs a little bit. I think I maybe got an exhaust leak just from wrestling it in there. I checked that. That could be it, but it didn't sound like an exhaust leak really. So I'm gonna keep playing with it. But we got a runner. I'll put some video of me driving it tomorrow, because that's exciting. And you know, but I think that's gonna be it for you guys for today. Just a little quick one. Stab that motor, make it run. I am so excited. Oh my God, I'm so excited. This is great. All right, hit the links down below, visit the friends, buy a t-shirt, you know, all that great stuff. A coffee mug. Tony got a coffee mug. It looks pretty cool. I think I'm gonna get one. And then thanks for watching. See you guys next week.